Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. If you guys didn't watch my last video, my name is Kyle Chang, and today I got something pretty special. Something came in yesterday. I mocked it up on my car yesterday. At first I didn't really like it, but then after I kept looking at it, you know, I started liking it. But yeah, so why don't we go get it and see what it looks like on my car. Alright guys, here it is. There's only one angle that I really like it in. I had to get it because I wanted different aspects of Toyota on this Lexus. I'm not gonna tell you what the other ones are, but I'm gonna tell you what this one is because it came in yesterday. Here it is. I'll show you guys. Boom, right there.
How many places have I seen? They all been torn apart. How many faces have I seen? Real life fade in the dark. I read the writing on the wall, and then I knock it down. You never could.
If you guys couldn't tell, this wing is a WRX STI wing. I got it really cheap. This is only ABS plastic. It's not fiberglass or carbon fiber. I didn't want to get any fiberglass because it was way too heavy, and carbon fiber, they're just both way too expensive. Oh, so if you guys haven't noticed, my car is two different colors. It's this dark green and this matte gray. The matte gray is a Plasti Dip that I chose. I went with Plasti Dip because I didn't want to go through all the sanding and all the trouble that comes with real paint. Also, I found that Plasti Dip was actually a little bit cheaper. It was only like about $5 something for a can, and in order to paint the whole car, it'll be, I don't know, maybe $100 or a little bit over $100. All right, so I already know I'm gonna get a lot of hate on this because you know, it just looks kind of ricey, but I like it. And sometimes you got to do things that not a lot of people agree with, but you just do whatever you like. It's your car, it's your decisions. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's a little smaller than I thought it'd be. I thought it would come out a little bit more. As you guys can see, there's a lot of gap right here where you bolt it up. I was just hoping it'd be a little bit bigger because it looks kind of weird right now, but I think that it was a good choice. Of course, there were like other wings that I could have bought, a lip than a wing. I already saw other SCs with that wing, and you know, I didn't want to copy them. Why not be unique? Why not do something creative and do something that no one has ever done? And this is what I came up with. So other than the color and the wing, those are the only big things I'm doing to the car right now. I still gotta prep the wing. Hey, what's up guys? It's been a couple days since I last picked up the camera. Since then, I did not end up putting on the wing. I ended up just sanding it, but then it was cloudy, but it was still hot outside, so I decided to actually finish painting my car. And as you guys remember from the last video, or from the last clip actually, I only painted half of my car. You guys remember, it's actually a gray Plasti Dip. Let me show you guys the results.
Home, a place where I can go to take this off my shoulders. Someone take me home. Look, I didn't power through the struggle just to let a little trouble knock me out of my position and interrupt the vision. After everything I witnessed, after all of these decisions, all these miles, feet, inches, they can't add up to the distance that I have been through just to get to a place where even if there's no closure, I'm still safe.
That was the end product of my Plasti Dipping. For the wing, I probably won't put it on until next week or something. Like I said, I was gonna pick up something tomorrow that's probably gonna make this car look a little bit better. Hopefully it makes a difference, but it's a little something. It's a little something. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow my Instagram page. It's Lane7Chang. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.